Park. San Jose's police chief is feeling the pressure from rank-and-file officers angry over staffing and budget issues. Today, the police union weighed in on his job performance. KTV's Alex Savage is live with an important vote that took place this morning. Alex?
Well, good afternoon. Some officers here in San Jose just feel the chief doesn't stand up for them enough, and that's why this morning members of the San Jose Police Officers Association met here at headquarters. They debated whether to authorize a vote of no confidence in their boss. In the end, though, they backed off the idea. San Jose police officers poured out of union headquarters this morning after deciding not to move forward with a no-confidence vote for Chief Chris Moore. The president of the Police Officers Association said it would have been a distraction.
There isn't a lot of confidence in Chief Moore right now and his leadership style, or lack thereof.
The members who put this issue on the agenda are angry about low officer morale, cuts to pensions, and staffing shortages. Glenn Baldwin is a 20-year veteran of the San Jose Police Department.
If the citizens of San Jose knew how few officers were patrolling a beat on a midnight watch, they'd lock themselves in the bathroom. It's that bad.
But at the end of the day, Baldwin and other union members decided budget cuts are out of the chief's control. Still, they want their boss to speak up for his officers.
What we're wanting is somebody as chief of police to be an advocate for the rank-and-file officer, and we're not seeing that.
There was a huge turnout this morning as close to 300 officers took part in this meeting. And even though they pulled the plug on a no-confidence vote, members feel this was a major accomplishment.
I'm hopeful that maybe we'll see a little bit more backbone out of them and step up and really get the message out to the community, out to the citizens of San Jose, how dire our situation is and how dire it's becoming.
Another reason the union decided against authorizing that no-confidence vote, it would have been purely symbolic. The police chief's job would never have been put in jeopardy because of the vote that would have taken place. I have been in contact this morning with the spokesperson for the San Jose Police Department, but I've still not been able to get a comment directly from the chief about the meeting that took place here this morning at union headquarters. We're live this afternoon in San Jose. Alex Savage, KTVU.